Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I have something absolutely ridiculous to share with you guys. This box was sent by Scott, and it contains ridiculous, and I mean ridiculous, knives. As they always do, right? These are loaners. They will go back to Scott when I am done, but I can't wait to share with you guys. Thanks so much to Scott for sending this in for me to take a look at. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. I said this. I should have said these. No, they did not come from eBay. I think that's just tape that he clearly reused a box here. He also made me aware that I made the wrong choice when I bought my version of this knife. I think these are all the same. There might be something else in here. I can't remember. Let's see. We got of course he has them. He's got them ordered for me. He knows how to. You got to keep the engagement, right? He knows what order to keep them in. So if you're wondering who I'm talking about, it's this gentleman right here. He and I have become friends over the years, and his collection is amazing. If for no other reason, follow him just to take a look at his collection. It's awesome. But he's kind enough to share a lot of this stuff with you guys, through my channel. So, what do we have here? Open first, all right. He's been correct about the ordering in the past. Gosh darn it, Scott. Why? My God. Come on, man. Come on. Oh, jeez. All right. So this is the Custom Knife Factory and Ron Design Evo 3.0. You guys probably remember my lowly. This is mine. And I love it. Great knife. I chose the most boring plain Jane one, as I always do. Right? And then Scott is, reminding me. Jeez. That I made the wrong choice. These were way more expensive. Way more expensive. What were these? $1,400, $1,500, something like that? Oh, God. Look at that. Look at this. This is ridiculous. Zircotai, pretty sure. There's too much gray in there for that not to be Zircotai. That's beautiful. Absolutely. Man, that might be... Hold on a second. If that is, it has to be. There's too many dark areas. Yeah, there's the zirconium areas right there. That might be the most beautiful piece of zircotai that I have ever seen. That is absolutely stunning. And then we have what looks like maybe an Odin's Eye Damasteel pattern. High polish on that blade. And then we have the blackened titanium on this side. Zircotai pocket clip. And is the backspacer zirconium? Of course, it's just beautifully smooth. I hate touching these. You guys are always like, you need to get white gloves. Okay, fine, I do. Touching them, it just makes me feel uncomfortable. How can we get that? There we go. I want it to look good. Okay, open second. Let's put this right there. Come on. You're not here to see debris. Let's open up the second one here. Gotta get the rubber band out of the way. Scott, I'm going to be honest with you. I keep all of the rubber bands. I've been stealing rubber bands from Scott for a couple of years now. I use them. I reuse them. They're really important. Okay. Here's the second one. And I think this really was the one that made me jealous. Yeah. God. I had no idea, guys. I had no idea. The DLC ones were polished. These are ridiculous. I remember being like, why would I pay that much more for the DLC? Like, the plain one's fine. Like, I'm not going to pay that much more for black. Holy crap. I didn't know that it looked like this. This is amazing. This is incredible. This is one of the nicest. Hold on. Golly, that is freaking sick, man. I spit all over the place. My hand blocked it from this guy. And we missed the knife here. That is just beautiful. Look at, oh my God. Yeah, well, here's why. It's a fingerprint magnet. Look at that blade. That is, oh man. I want this so bad. I might have to sell mine and just choke down whatever these are going to cost. That is one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen, hands down. That is absolutely stunning. I cannot believe that I didn't go for the pictures did not do. Listen, am I the only one? Anybody else look and see the black one and go, meh? Oh, man. This is just gorgeous. This is insane. I'm just feel so stupid. And Scott sent me a video, and I was like, sorry, I'm trying to keep all my fingerprints off of this. And I was like, dude, what the heck? I had no idea that these were so shiny. And he was like, yeah, man, they're shiny. And now seeing it in person, this is way crazier. I'm trying to get it to tilt around so you guys can see it from all these different angles. This is, oh my gosh, that is ridiculous. Once again, just feeling infinitely stupid for having made the wrong choice. What's the third one? Okay. Is this different? This must be different. It's not the same thing. Feels like another one. Did you get two of the... You got two in the freaking Zerkatai? Oh, man. This is just this is too much, man. It's just one video. It's just one video. This is too much to handle for one video, man. This is why. You guys wondering, like, why? How can you not get burnt out? This is how. Because this is the type of stuff that I get to see, right? And even though I've seen this material before, and I certainly have handled a knife before, sometimes when it comes together and it culminates into something that is beyond, the previous pinnacle, right? Then you get that new, that new crescendo. I'm trying very hard to articulate my emotional response to this. All right, hang on. Gotta do this without. Sorry, my palm is dirty for some reason. Must have touched something. Different pattern, different ano, right? So these must have all come a little bit different. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous. All of them exactly the same in terms of action, right? Lock up, all of that. This is just beautiful, man. Well, congratulations to you for snagging those. I just, even the zirconium, I'm going to put the thing under here for all of them. Even the Zerkatai variants, when I saw the pictures, and, nothing again, it's hard to capture that in a still image. So I'm not coming down on CKF, and I'm not coming down on Rotten. I just didn't know. I wasn't aware. I wasn't prepared. This is always the case, right? It's the name of the game. You don't know until you see it, right? Until you see it in 4K or in real life. Exactly what it was that you were missing out on. My sense of, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm going to be 100%. Mine, I love it, feels overpriced. This one, knowing good and well that it is more expensive than mine even, feels substantially more on point for what they wanted for it. I have not seen this. I have not seen this finish. Even my Dark Horse that has a similar reflective or high-polished DLC finish is nothing like this. These are gorgeous, and I'll just tell you right now, they're beautiful, but it's just a little bit outside of my comfort zone. At least I do it every now and then, but it's like I just couldn't afford it at the time that they dropped. This I totally could have grabbed, and I just didn't because I was like, nah, whatever. It's black DLC. I've seen black DLC before. All right. Absolutely insane. Insane. Oh, this was a lot to take in all at once. There's too much here for me to, really talk about. I have already done the review on the Rotten Evo, but this black one here almost deserves its own video. In fact, you know what? I'm going to. I want to talk about this finish. I want to talk about my thoughts about this model now because just would have gladly paid so much more for it, to be honest. But I don't have that option now, of course, unless Scott wants to sell me this. That's going to be pretty much it today, guys. You can check out my original review on this model. I believe by the time you're seeing this, it's up. If it is not up, then it will be up soon. That's going to be it. Please. There we go. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.